All right, guys, welcome back to another video, a real brief video. So I was bored and I hadn't had any accessories for the Sony. So I just jumped online and bought me a red case. I could have got black, brown, blue, clear, anything. I just got red. I saw the red. The red is a little brighter. Like when it came in the mail, I was like, oh, this is a little brighter than I thought it was going to be. But nonetheless, it's just some brand. I don't know what brand it is. It's just a case I saw for $7. And I decided to go ahead and just jump on there. I think this costs like $8, $7.99 or something like that. So let's pop it on just to give the phone a little bit more grip. And there it is. So cut out for the fingerprint reader. I gotta power it on. So I gotta put my SIM card back in here. I turned it off to charge it. But you can see the cutout for the cameras and everything is legit right there. The way this is put together. Then you got your headphone jack, and make sure that microphone is cut out at the top. I don't plan on putting a tempered glass on here, so you got all the ports on the bottom, and that is it. That is the case. Brief, right? And to the point. Yeah, but the fingerprint reader is the only thing I'm going to check here in this video, and the volume and power button. This actually is what this phone needed. It needed some kind of grip around it, man, because this is just this is kind of a thin case. It's not a bulky case at all. But let's check the fingerprint reader. So the power button definitely is got a little bit of tactileness to it. So yeah, so the fingerprint reader seems to be okay. Yeah, there we go. I guess since the phone's booting up, yeah, so it's good. Yeah, fingerprint reader's good. Volume rockers, nice and tactile. Everything's good, man. This is a really nice case. It comes in red, black, brown, and blue. Search on Amazon and you'll find the color for you. And I just rhyme like that. That's the old me, you know. Nah, all seriously, no. Seriousness, you know, this is a really nice thin case. It's kind of like those Rinky cases, and the Rinky Onyx is what it's going to remind you of. It's really nice. Let me show you the inside here. If you didn't know any better, you would think this was a Rinky Onyx case. But yeah, it covers the phone up nice. It's got a little bit of lay on the table design. Just a hair lay on the table design. This is how it looks from the front. Nice little red border. It's gonna be good, man. I think I like this. So this is a real nice, simple case for the Sony Xperia 10. They do have this for the 10 Plus. So do your research online. You'll find this on Amazon. Just type in Sony Xperia 10 cases, and this will come up in all the different colors. I could have got black, like I said, but I just wanted something different, man. The red does look a little like cheap at quality when I first saw it out the packaging, but it's actually pretty nice and it'll grow on me. Plus I'll never be able to, you know, not know where my phone is with this bright red. Kind of see how it cutouts around the camera and everything. I like it. Anyway, there it is, folks. It's your man Jay. Quick video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.